Today I will plant this papaya plant. At first I will cut this plastic wrapper carefully. Now it is ready. I will make a pit here. The pit is ready. Look, the pit is ready. Now I will add compost here. At first compost, 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 plenty of compost. Then add some soil. You can make the pit with 70 to 60% compost and 40% soil. It is very easy. You can make the compost from your household wastage, from the vegetables remainings. Yes, mix it up very nicely. The pit is ready, and now I am planting the sapling. Look how nice. Planting the sapling in the middle of the pit and cover it with the remaining soils and also the compost. Cover it nicely. Cover it nicely, guys. Yes. I have covered it nicely. Finally add some water and the plantation is over. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.